Hey everybody, this is Vincent Tseng, the Wandering Warrior, and today I'm going to show you how I made a sheath for this Lalau. The Lalau is the blade used by the Atayal people of northern Taiwan, indigenous people to this island, and they were famous as both hunters and headhunters up in the highlands. My friend asked me to get this blade for him and also to make it a sheath, and as it's a vintage piece, I had to make a sheath that would match the flavor and style of this particular blade. And of course I hit up my teacher who gave me pointers and tips on how to do it. This is actually quite interesting. It looks to be perhaps Japanese era or a little bit later and refurbished. We actually had to somewhat straighten out the blade a little bit, and the blade looks like it had been used and then reground. After I have the sheath blanked out, I use a carving knife and then a chisel. The folding saw, the carving knife, and the draw knife definitely come in handy. Time to smooth it out. Open-faced scabbards are a classic design for indigenous Taiwanese blades. And here we beat the iron wire and sort of staple it in, so to speak. Now we go ahead and dye the wood so that it looks vintage as well. We suspect this is from either the Japanese era or shortly thereafter, and seems to have been refurbished by its previous owner. The blade may have been damaged before and was reground, and the handle has very authentic rattan wrapping, but interestingly, looks like it could be actually from a Japanese machete, a nata. You can see the slot in the handle, very, very distinct. Definitely a curious piece, and probably the stories that we'll never know. I thank my teacher for giving me the tips and pointers and skills, and my friend for the opportunity to learn more about Lalau sheath making. Thank you guys for following me on my journey. I salute yours. Peace.